Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some creative gift ideas for Mother's Day that might not even cost you more than just your time. Mothers are so selfless and love us so much, and sometimes all they want is to spend time with us. It's crazy, but when was the last time you spent time with your mother? Maybe a lot during this quarantine, maybe you still haven't seen her in a few months. So whatever it is, if you're watching this video, you probably haven't bought anything for your mom yet, and if you do buy anything now, it probably won't get to her on time. So keep watching for some creative Mother's Day gift ideas, quarantine edition. I hope you find some helpful ideas here that you could use for your Mother's Day gift this year. And if you do, please like this video, press subscribe button, consider subscribing, help me out over here. I'm trying to grow my channel, and yeah, I'll be posting videos every week. Now let's get started. So my first idea is doing things that she usually has to do during the week, during her day, that you probably would like taken off your plate, or she would like taking off her plate in this case. So for example, like doing laundries, taking one thing off her plate, cleaning the house, cleaning something specific, helping her spring clean. What else do I have here? Wash the dishes, wash her car, and cook. Which brings me to my second idea, which is, and by the way, you can do these in combination. Obviously, I'm definitely not saying just do one thing and call it a day. I'm personally going to do a combination of all of these ideas just because I feel like she deserves it, and I'm sure you probably feel like your mom deserves the world too. So hopefully you can do multiple of these things, and you find it helpful and your mom is happy with the time that you spend with her and her gift this Mother's Day. So going back to cooking brings me to my second idea, which is making her a nice breakfast, maybe her favorite breakfast, or trying a recipe off YouTube that you think she might like, or maybe you've never cooked for her, which would be like a great time now that we're in quarantine and you may be spending time with her to really kind of have that bonding time with your mom and do something special for her. So cooking, whether it be breakfast, you can have like this platter, you can make like a restaurant gourmet breakfast with maybe a mimosa, kind of decorate the platter with some flowers, some different chopped fruits, some cheeses, depending on what she likes and what you can do. Another thing you could do cooking wise is obviously have a nice dinner. Whether you're a husband or son or daughter, you can have some dinner with her and maybe combine it with some cocktail or wine. If she has like a specific dish that she loves, maybe do that. Or if she has been saying, oh, I want to try this food or that food, you can look up a recipe real quick on YouTube, like I said before, and it's a great time to really try these recipes out and just combine that with some flowers, which is my third thing. Some flowers is always such a good idea for moms, at least for most moms, right? Who doesn't love flowers? I love flowers. So I was researching, and the best flowers for mothers on Mother's Day are roses, lilies, orchids, tulips, and peonies. I love peonies personally because they just smell so good. Tulips I also love. Orchids are also one of my favorites, and lilies, like I can't picture a lily right now, but I'm gonna put one right here just in case you also don't know what a lily looks like. And of course roses, which is like a signature. And Mother's Day flower colors are red, yellow, pink, and purple. So those are like the flower colors most popular for Mother's Day basically every year. I don't think they really change much. But anyways, who doesn't love a nice bouquet of flowers? And you can even buy like different colors and combine the colors, combine the different flower types, and just make your own bouquet, which is what a lot of people are doing. And these are things that like you can buy from grocery stores or drugstores, or even like 7-Eleven. You can get, you know, flowers. I feel like women really just like to feel like they're taken care of, or like that they're being cared for. And I feel like whether you're a son, daughter, husband, you could just really make someone's day by doing like the little things that really matter, you know, that sometimes we don't really have time to do. Which brings me, the third idea is a care package. And this is so easy to do. You can go to any drugstore, you can go to any basically supermarket. They all have like these little, for example, Whole Foods has like this little nutrition / beauty center or aisle, I guess you could say, and just get a basket, or depending on how you want to do it, could be a bag, could be a little box. Put a vase of flowers in there, fill up with different things that she might use, some face masks, under eye pads, some, you know, hair products, foundation, facial powder, translucent powder, bar soap, shampoo, vitamins, kind of giving a combination of a little bit of everything. Or maybe if you know that she needs something or really wants something, you can kind of incorporate that. And what else? That would be my third idea. And obviously once you get all of these products together, you can kind of decorate it, put it together in a nice little basket, box, or bag, and just decorate it nicely. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Trust me, she's definitely gonna use it. Make her feel pretty, or like remind her that, oh, you know, my son or my husband got this for me. And basically receive like a customized package. I think that would be a nice gift. It's more of time and thought into it, as opposed to like something expensive or something really materialistic, because you want to let her know that you appreciate her, not just that you're just trying to buy her the most expensive thing just so she can have a Mother's Day gift. So that brings me to my last and fourth thing, which is pamper her. If you have the time and you live with her, or for whatever reason have been able to visit her, and you know she's fine, you're fine, you haven't seen other people, and you have been seeing her recently, you can do her hair, you can do her nails, you can do her makeup one night, and kind of do a combination. I know that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do like a combination of a care package with making her breakfast or dinner, and also doing some chores for her around the house, so she could basically have the day off and like just focus on her. And I'm sure she's going to really enjoy that, because she's the type of person that can never stay still. She's always doing something. So hopefully this works and she gets to relax one day, because they do so much for us and for everyone else that it's crazy how much, you know, they give up of themselves. But yeah, I really think that sums up my Mother's Day gifts ideas quarantine edition. And let me know in a comment down below if you liked any of my ideas, and if you plan on using any of these for your Mother's Day gift this year. I would love to hear all about it. I really hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, smash that like button down below, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell to get notified every time I upload and be part of the notification squad. So that is all for today, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.